What's good, Blue Tubes? It's your girl, A to the N to the G to the E to the M to the B L U. What? A to the N to the G to the E to the L to the B L U. Intro Blue. And we back with another video, y'all. I am super excited to listen to my girl JISOO with a new song called Your Love Special Video. Rainforest, Wild Asia, Singapore. All right, y'all. We better get right into it. I am super excited because, y'all, I just went to go see Blackpink a couple of weeks ago. Okay, and I do have the vlog coming out very, very soon. If you guys want to see the vlog before it comes out on YouTube, follow me on Twitch. Okay, the link will be below. I will be showing it this week at 5 o'clock Eastern time, and I will let y'all know soon. So follow me on Instagram and on YouTube so that you guys can be updated on the time. But yeah, y'all, I'm super excited to react to this because just with a new bop. Hold on, y'all. She ate down. The Blackpink concert, let me just tell you, y'all just gotta watch the video because I was trying to get all the angles for y'all. Like, I think I did a really good job with everything. So I hope you guys enjoy the concert because y'all gonna literally be coming with me. But follow me on Twitch so that you guys can see it ahead of time before it comes out on YouTube, so you don't have to wait. Okay, so let's get into it, y'all, and here we go. She's so beautiful. Stars in my eyes, constellations for you. Yeah. You spin my life upside down on the moon. Hey. Ooh. Sing. You can be real. You look like everything I see in my dreams. I swear that we'll be young forever. Yes. Wait, did she perform this at the concert? No, hold on. Hey, I think she did perform this at the Blackpink concert, y'all. Cause I'm like, this sounds familiar. Okay. So we got to see the tea before the tea, you know? Hey. Hey. I love this. Hey. Okay. So beautiful. I love this. Hey. Y'all, I love nature too. So this is just so beautiful. Such a good scenery with the song playing in the background. Loving it. Hey. Hey. Oh. This is Wild Asia, Singapore. Got it. Rainforest. Yes. Oh, so pretty. Yes. Hey. Oh, I love it. Yes. Hey. So beautiful. Oh. I'm over here forgetting I'm reacting. I'm just looking at the video. So dope, y'all. Yes, it's so beautiful, guys. Y'all be ready for the commercials and we not ready, okay? But anyways, y'all, that was so beautiful. I love the visuals, love the song, y'all. It just made me feel so happy. Like, I feel like I just want to I don't know. Like, I want to go to a rainforest now, shoot, because yeah. And I feel like love is in the air, all of that stuff. It was just so beautiful, y'all. But y'all tell me what y'all think below. I'm super excited to see JISOO dropping another song, okay? Definitely, we've been waiting, Bookie. Okay, yeah. All right, but shout out to JISOO. Y'all tell me what y'all think below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, tell your aunties, your uncles, nieces, nephew, everybody in the family to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. And don't forget to follow me on Twitch so that you guys can see the reaction video. So you guys can see the vlog that is be coming out this week. I will let y'all know with a date for sure. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Later.